Very great day. This is V. Ramavallavan, Literature and Management Series 01313. YY analysis from various literature. This is another concepts to learn from the literature. So today in our profession, there is a concept called YY analysis, which is being used for problem solving purpose. So there are certain literature where certain concepts has been adopted there. There is a grammar called Andadi. Andadi. Andam means Ant means end. Adi means start. So with this kind of rule, they have created certain poems, certain literature. So let us see one by one. From there, we will get into certain songs in some different languages also to understand the concepts. Then, in real terms, how these things can be used for problem solving. Those things also we will be learning. So, in Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna asks Lord Krishna, why people are doing sin? Why people are doing sin? So, for which Lord Krishna tells in Bhagavad Gita, in chapter 2, the sloka is 62 and 63. What he says? Jayato Vishyan Pumsa Sangas Teshu Ajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodha Vijayate. We have to continue to next sloka also. There it is ending with Krodha Vijayate. It starts with Krodha Bhavati Sammoha Sammohat Smriti Vibrahamaha Smriti Ranshad Buddhinasho Buddhinashat Pranashanti. If you see this sloka, the last word from the first line will be the same as the first word from the second line. So the last is end, Adi, Andam, Ant. The starting is Adi. So this is what is being called And Adi. Okay. So let us understand the meaning of it. Then understand the concepts. Then understand how to apply this for problem solving. So Arjuna asked why people committing sin. So what the Lord Krishna says, when seriously thinking on materialistic objects, that is, if a person is continuously contemplating on a materialistic object with the senses, he gets attached into it. He is getting into some attachment on that. That attachment is leading to some desire. That desire is leading to anger. Further, this anger is leading to losing judging capacity. This once he loses his judging capacity, he loses his consciousness. So what is he? What is he doing? All those things he forgets. When he forgets his consciousness, his intellect is going off. So once his intellect is getting destroyed, he is getting ruined. Then he justify himself. Whatever he does is good. So naturally he is committing sin. So, in our, as I told this grammar as Adi, the last word of first line becomes the first word of the next line. So, in that concepts, if you understand this, Arjuna asks, why humans commit sin? Lord Krishna replies, one thinks on a materialistic object. Then that materialistic objects becomes his attachment. Attachment leads to desire. So when he is getting attached to it, he is desiring for acquiring that particular object. So when he is not able to get it, naturally it is leading to anger. So when he gets into anger, that anger leads to losing judging capacity. What is good, what is bad, he is losing that. Once he loses its judging capacity, that leads to losing consciousness. His own senses is going off. He forgets himself. What is he doing? So once he loses his consciousness, it leads to destruction of intellect. His intellect is getting destroyed. This destruction of intellect leads to the person getting ruined. So naturally, he justifies himself. Whatever he is doing is right. So naturally, he does sin. So this is what Lord Krishna has told. Here, there is one ancient poet, Tamil poet. She has told in her poem the concept whatever I have told as Andaz. If you see, if one not able to read this language, you can just see the words. This is these two words will be similar to these words, and these two words will be similar to these words. So the end start, end start, end start, end start. All are same. Okay. So வரப்புயர நீர் உயரும், நீர் உயர நெல் உயரும், நெல் உயர குடி உயரும், குடி உயர கோல் உயரும், கோல் உயர கோன் உயர்வான். That's how it has to be read. What is the meaning of it? How come this king is so famous and is famous? Because his governance is so good. How come his governance is so good? Because the people under his dynasty are so good. How come the people are so good? Because the productivity of the paddy, the rice, is so good. The productivity is so high. Everyone gets everything. When everyone gets everything, there is no poor or rich. Everybody is rich. When everyone has everything, they don't need to steal from anybody else. Only when there are rich and poor, poor will be stealing something from the people who are having. So when everybody has everything, so there is no question of stealing. So people's morality is so good. How come this paddy is so high there? Because the water table is so high. The water storage is so high. How come the water storage is so high? In the paddy field, the boundaries will be having wall. That wall is called Varapu. That is so high. If that is so high, the walls around the paddy field is so high, water storage will be so high. So the root cause for this person to be, the Raja to be, the king to be so good, having famous, is because the walls around the paddy field is so high. So many a time in our practical problem solving, what we do is whatever is seen immediately as a cause for a problem, for those we may be taking action, the real cause will be lying somewhere else. Because of which we will be having only the temporary solution. Over a period of time, it gets repeated. So, the root cause, for getting the root cause, you need to ask why this is happening, why this is happening, why this is happening, likewise. Then, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has told, learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides the knowledge, knowledge makes you great. So, this is his quote. Hope this is very clear. There are certain songs in movies. In Tamil movie, if someone cannot understand the language, you just listen the sound. I'll just sing for you. வசந்த கால நதிகளிலே வைரமணி நீரலைகள் 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 நீரினிலே நெஞ்சிரண்டும் நினைவலைகள் 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 தொடர்ந்து வந்தால் நேரமெல்லாம் கனவலைகள் 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 வளர்வதற்கு காமனவன் மலர்கணைகள். So each and every line, if you see, the start of the next line will be the same as the end of the previous line. This is called Andadi. In this pattern only we need to do YY analysis. For that reason this is being told. Let us understand the another song. Here one more Tamil film song. Here the song goes like this. பருவம் வந்த அனைவருமே காதல் கொள்வதில்லை, காதல் கொண்ட அனைவருமே மனம் முடிப்பதில்லை, மனம் முடித்த அனைவருமே சேர்ந்து வாழ்வதில்லை, சேர்ந்து வாழ்ந்த அனைவருமே சேர்ந்து போவதில்லை. So each and every line, if you see, it will have the, as I told, that this rule has been followed. There is another Hindi song. Here it may not be exactly of the last line versus the first line, okay, of the next line. It may not, it would not have such kind of rule, but the first line sentence, whatever he sings, for which there will be an answer, for that there will be another answer, for that there will be another answer, for that there will be another answer. So the idea is you will be going on asking, you should get going on, you should go on, get some answers. At the end you will find out the real reason for it. This is a Hindi song. झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो, मैं के चली जाऊंगी तुम देखते रहे, तू मैं के चली जाएगी तो मैं डंडा लेकर आऊंगा, तू डंडा लेकर आएगा, मैं कुएं में गिर जाऊंगी, मैं रस्सी से खिंचवाऊंगा, मैं पेड़ में चढ़ जाऊंगी, मैं आरी से कटवाऊंगा. The meaning of it is, so generally the husband used to play around their wife with some lying, and sometimes just going on lying something, for which if she says, if you go on lying and playing like this, I'll be going to my mom's house. So he says, if you go to the mom's house, I'll bring the stick to beat you. If you are bringing stick, I will fall in the well. He says, I will be pulling you out with the rope. He says, he will climb the tree. She will climb the tree. He says, I will cut the tree by knife. Okay. Now, if you find the reason why he cuts the tree is because he spoke a lie with his wife. So likewise, all the songs, if you find, the first word will be, or the first word of the second line will be the previous line's last word. So there is another joke in Tamil actually. Here, This person is washing the clothes here. There is one more person standing around. He is calling him and he is asking him, no, I have a doubt, you please clear it out. So what is the doubt? He says, uh, where from this rain is coming? Rain is coming from sky, like the clouds. Where it falls? It falls on the mountain. From there, where it goes? It comes down as a river. Where this river goes? This river goes to sea. Fine. The same water is only going to sea. You just have this, you just sip this water. He takes some handful of water and give it to him. He drinks it. Okay, you drank it, right? Is it not sweet? Yes, it is sweet. The same water is going to sea. How come the water is salty in the sea? So he asks such a question. So the comedy goes like that. Here, if you find the reasoning out, start to end, the reasoning out, there is certain science behind it. Like as the repeated rain has taken place, the water got washed from the land. Most of the salty things have gone to the sea. So sea has been concentrated with salt, and when the evaporation takes place, only H2O water alone is getting evaporated. Salt is getting settled in the sea itself. So whatever the water comes out, it is all pure water. It will be sweet only. So the root cause, if you find it has to be having a connection from the previous question to next sentence. There is another comedy here. Here, what happens? Lot of people are chasing him for beating. He runs and comes to this person. So he avoids all the person to get him beaten. So he is asking why people are coming behind you to chasing you to beat you. So what he does, he is having a bag. From that bag, he is pulling out fruits. First, he is showing a lemon fruit. So in Tamil, lemon fruit is elumicham param. If it is ripened fruit, it is called param, elumicham param. If it is not ripened, it is still in the previous stage. He asked him, what is this? This is elumicham param. Before this, what it is called? It is called elumicham kai. If it is not ripened, no, it is called as kai, elumicham kai. Then he pulls out banana fruit. What is this? This is banana fruit. Before this, it is banana kai. That is varaiparam, varaikai. Then he pulls out mango fruit. What is this? Mambaram. Mambaram means mango fruit. Before this ripened stage, it is called kai, mangai. Okay. Then he pulls out uh, coconut. In Tamil, it is called tengai. That is no, it is not called as tengai param. It is tengai. Before this, he asked. Before this, it is tender coconut actually. So he got stuck. Normally, in our real term problem solving also, if you follow the same pattern, same rule for all the problem solving methodology, you will not get the solution. At certain stage, you may have to think out of box. Then only you will get the reason. So this is what the message I would like to give out of these things. So now, how you will apply this into our real-time problem solving. So now we can superimpose this Y-way analysis into this cause and effect diagram. In cause and effect, there is an effect. If there is an effect, there are broadly 6 branches of causes, which are machine, material, method, man, measurement, and environment. On each case, you can attribute to some problem. What are those? On the machine, if you take, it produces more variation. Why more variation? Too much vibration. Why too much vibration? Beyond certain point, we cannot control that. Why you can't control it? It is the design limitation. Why that is a design limitation? This is not at all suitable for this particular process at all. You cannot take this. Okay, then moving on to material. Material used not meeting the specification. Whatever the material you are using, it is not meeting the specification. Why? The tolerances exceeds the drawing specification. Why? Drawings used by the supplier is different. Why? Current revision not given to the supplier. The latest revision not given to. Why? No system of ensuring current drawings with the supplier. So whenever there is a revision, you need to ensure that the latest drawing, whenever the revisions are taking place, this has to get routed to the supplier through your purchase process. That is not happening. Then on the method, if you come, less accurate tool is being used. Why? The current tool, whichever you are using now, it has been pulled out from the production line. Why? The tool was generating errors. Why? Inadequate servicing. When the things are idle or when periodic things are coming, those times it can be um, corrected. But this time it has been removed because it was giving some problem. In between they have been removed. So this is because infrequent servicing. Then no evidence of preventive maintenance procedure. Then coming to man, new operator not fully trained. It is a general statement given by lot of engineers in the shop floor. Why there is a problem? Every day morning there will be a meeting. Why there is a problem? Sir, it is all new operator, sir. Why? Trained operator was absent. Why? No other trained operator available. Training not given to other operators. So there is no evidence of system that demonstrates the operator readiness for a different process, defined process. So whenever the process is defined, the people have to be trained. There is no system. Then coming to measurement, the units are getting rejected. Why? Equipments rejects the good one also. Why? Equipment readiness 0.5. That is sorry. Equipment resolution. Equipment resolution is 0.5. Uh, 0.5. Resolution means what? The minimum what it could measure is 0.5. But it is being used for measuring the tolerance requirement of plus or minus 0.1. So how come it can measure? Because of which what is happening? Even the good pieces it is rejecting it. So equipment selection is not correct. Then why this has happened? No evidence of system that demonstrates the selection of test equipment. Then coming to environment, units are getting rejected. Why? The testing area, the location where the testing is happening, no, the temperature is too high. Okay, so why the test location is near the oven? Wherever the test location is there, no, nearby there are certain some oven is kept nearby that test location. So why process layout not done taking into account of nearby equipments? Then why no evidence of structured process layout? There is no evidence of structured process layout design that include the environment considerations. So whenever you make a process layout, you need to consider what are all the nearby equipments available. Will there be any impact on the on one process over the another process? All those things need to be considered. Then only the process layout has to be set. So which has not taken place. So if you see this YY analysis, Each and every question and the next question has the relation. This is how a sequential series of relations has to be established so that you will land at the real root cause. If you take action to that particular root cause, the problem will get solved. Similarly, if you wanted to set a robust process, you assume that these are all the uh, holes in the water pipe. The pressure is not getting developed. Okay, when you plug all the holes, naturally the pressure will get developed. The effect is pressure is not getting developed. Why? There are multiple holes. What are all the holes available? These are all the holes available. So whenever you plug the loopholes, naturally the problem will get solved. Once for all, the problem will get solved. So that is the whole idea of using this YY analysis in problem solving methodology. Okay. So hope you will be liking this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, activate the bell button for getting you notified. Share to many people who whom you feel that they also need to be the cause of their life. You need to be the cause of their life. So if you have any comments, leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.